friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of March the 10th to the 16th, and this is a killer week. So if you've been like, I just taken a break, this is the week to get out of retirement, because I mean there's like fire coming out of my keyboard. Some of these deals I'm just really hyper about, and you know, it's not just the typical Dawn dish soap deals. Like there's a little bit of magic sprinkled in this and a bit of spice. So I am not complaining this week. First thing we're going to talk about are the two boosters. The first is a 7-back when you spend 20 on nice brand products, which is the Walgreens brand. That is a killer booster, especially when you have a buy one get two for free on the bags and other $1.99 products. We will investigate that one very thoroughly. Along with, we have a 7-back when you spend 40 on general merchandise. And yes, the two stack, and if you might have a paper booster, that is something called a triple threat. So like already I'm happy with this 14-back when you spend 40. Yesterday, I made a video about beauty, and I said something in it that the booster of 10-back when you spend 30 on beauty is a one-time use. It isn't. People have been using it more than once. Thank you for sharing. And basically, guys, this is free with IBOTTA, so you might want to investigate this video. I think that the IBOTTA rebates, whenever they do expire, that's when this deal is going to be done. So if you want some free CoverGirl and L'Oreal mascara, check out this video. I will link it at the end. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad will be published on Sunday, March the 10th. That will include all of the fine print and all of the digital coupons to go with these offers. So we're treating this video today as a preview. Okay, so the first magical deal we're going to talk about is with the Garnier. Both the whole blends and the Fructis are 2 for $8. We're going to have a 3 off 2 digital and then a $4 register reward when you buy 2. So grabbing 2 of them for $8, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per shampoo or conditioner. Like, that's amazing. And with the whole blends and the Fructis, let's remember, if you wanted to do, because they're going to give you a 3 off of 2 for both the whole blends and the Fructis, do them in 2 separate transactions, because that register reward will only print once per transaction. And if you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens Cash to earn your register reward. Next deal that we're going to look at is the Dove body wash for $7, and we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon and then a $4 register reward when you buy 2. IBOTTA is also giving back $2 for each, so make sure you have this guy loaded because this is a very valuable rebate. Grabbing 2 of the body washes for $14 on the nose, subtracting that $4 digital, you're going to pay $10. Get back a $4 register reward and $4 back from IBOTTA, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Another, I think this one is going to be a freebie with the Colgate Dental Care, $4, and we have a 4 off 2 digital. So the deal is grab 2 of the participating Colgate products. I don't know if you need to grab toothpaste or 2 toothbrushes. We'll have to see on Sunday for $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. Get back a $4 register reward, making this free. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but who doesn't like free dental care? Dial body wash, finally a deal on this magic. So they are 2 for $8. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. It'll drop it down to $6. You're getting back a $1 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but this is not a bad little deal, especially if you are like a big fan of the Dial line. And I know that we don't get a lot of deals with this one. Now, this is where it gets interesting because I don't know the price of the TRESemmé hair care for next week. Is it going to be $6? Is it going to be $6.99? Is it going to be BOGO 50% off? Well, let's just do this deal as BOGO 50% off because that was the price the week previous. 2 of them at $10.48 at $6.99 a pop on BOGO 50% off. Subtracting that 5 off 2 digital coupon, pay $5.48. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 48 cents for the 2. Is it going to be BOGO 50% off on Sunday? And what is the cost of the shampoo? If it's $6, it's obviously a little bit more, but we're going to have to wait and see for that price on Sunday, as this is a preview video. I don't have the fine print on that yet. But if you're going to use Walgreens cash, you have to do it without a booster. You can absolutely do that to earn the register reward, but this is potential for some very cheap TRESemmé, so we'll have to wait and see and investigate this one because I'm pretty hyper by this one. This is back 4 for $10, making the second tier P&G laundry care, the Tide Simply Pods, the Unstoppables, and the Bounce Dryer Sheet 60 count. 4 for $10, which is $2.50 per unit. Now, we had a bunch of digital coupons, but they are all magically expiring on Saturday, so we can't use them with. But it's definitely worth your time to go through the app and see if there's digital coupons for Tide Simply or what have you. Even if you used some register rewards or $10 in Walgreens cash, this is a stock up price if you're a newer couponer trying to build up your stockpile with meat and potatoes laundry care products. And now we have this Snuggle at $3.99. We have $1 digital, dropping it down to $2.99 for one of these Snuggle fabric softeners. I believe the dryer sheets are also included in this often. And typically this is like $8.29 over at Walgreens. So $2.99 is some tremendous savings. And my favorite, we have the buy one, get two for free on the Complete Home, which is a Walgreens brand bags, like storage bags, freezer bags, what have you. It's typically $2.79 for 3 or 93 cents per unit. And with that booster of 7 back when you spend 20, you guessed it, this is where it's going to get really great. Now let's dive into some quick honorable mentions that are worthy to talk about. The first is the $2.49 candies. We have some Sweet Tarts, Trolleys, jelly bean candies. I mean, everything. You want to put a big bowl of candy out at work and be the favorite person. $2.49, definitely a great price point for these sweet treats. We have BOGO free on the DiGiorno pizza if you're having, you know, a bunch of people over, kids' birthday party, whatever. Cheap food. And then we have BOGO 50% off for both the Doritos and the Lay's chips. And so we'll have to see what the buy price is for that before it's 50% off. That's another Sunday question. And then 2 for $10 for the Oscar Mayer bacon. That's a large amount of bacon too. $2.99 for the Nutella if you like hazelnut spread. And 2 for $5 for Skippy. That is a very good price point. If you do Easter baking, the last two, fantastic. And then 2 for $2 for these Snicker eggs. We have a IVC coupon, which is a Walgreens coupon, 50 cents off at 2. So it'll make it $1.50 for the 2 or 75 cents per Snickers egg. Perfect for those Easter baskets. Now, before I take off into the big sunset, guys, I made a video, I believe on Thursday, 5 common errors that most shoppers make at Walgreens. It takes a second to make a mistake that can be costly, especially when it's affecting your bottom line, your dollars and cents. You might want to check out this video. It's a great refresher, even if you are a very experienced couponer. And with that, we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.